Introducing Easyflex Gastop. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our Gastop EFV, short for excess flow valve. This little device connects to your gas connector and can help prevent your home from burning down from a gas leak. The Gastop EFV installs on a gas connector that's in between the appliance and the gas valve or stub out. In the unfortunate case a gas line ruptures or disconnects from the appliance, the Gastop EFV will detect the increase in gas flow and automatically shut off the gas supply. For added security, the valve will remain active while continuously shutting off the supply of gas until a new gas connector is installed. The benefits of having a Gastop EFV installed on your appliance are pretty obvious. The Gastop EFV is also equipped with a convenient, automatic reset feature where once the EFV is activated, the Gastop can be reset by simply reinstalling the device. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about the Gastop EFV and how it can help prevent gas leak related disasters. Links for each item are in the video description below, and for product details, please visit our website, easyflexusa.com. If you still have any questions, our support line is open. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.